Hi friends, this is Aman and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let's see important levels for Nifty, Bank Nifty and the stocks you can trade. So yesterday in Bank Nifty we had discussed if we see a flat opening around 33,700 and then if Bank Nifty goes above 33,750 then it can easily touch 34,000, and in case of a gap up opening we will see a selling pressure from the top and you can get a negative scenario. And after opening above 34,000 we saw a selling pressure in Bank Nifty and it closed around the day low. So on chart 33,700 will act as a strong support in Bank Nifty. So tomorrow if Bank Nifty goes below 33,700 then you can sell Bank Nifty. You'll have to maintain a stop loss around 33,850, and on the downside it can touch 33,550 and 33,400. But in case if Bank Nifty goes above 33,900 then it can go till 34,000, 34,200, 34,350, and the final target will be 34,500. Now let's see Nifty. So in Nifty we had discussed if we see a gap up opening, then if you get a negative sign on chart you can sell Nifty, and here you saw a negative sign and 1:1 was achieved easily. Later Nifty tried to recover but again we saw a sell off in the end and Nifty closed around day low. So tomorrow if Nifty goes below 15,800 you can sell Nifty and it can come till 15,700, 15,600. 700 will act as a support, and if Nifty goes below it only then it will come around 15,600, and if Nifty goes above 15,900 then Nifty can go till 16,000, and above 16,000 it can touch 16,200 too, because there is a gap which is not filled yet on daily chart. So if Nifty goes above 15,900, 16,000 then Nifty will try to fill this gap. Now let's see our stock of the day. So our today's stock is ITC, and if you see there's a trend line here and it is trading above the trend line now, and also it has come near the previous swing. So you can buy ITC about 271 and the target will be around 275, 276, the next resistance level. And for this trade you'll have to maintain a stop loss around 268. So that's all for today's video. If you like my video please share it and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you.